Hello and welcome to Lingua Lidiya. Let's talk about cooking at home. I like cooking. How about you? Do you enjoy cooking? I am not a super cook, but I can prepare everyday meals rather well. I think that during the quarantine, most of us had the chance to practice exciting and even time-consuming recipes off the internet. Something that takes hours to cook and then minutes to eat. I went through 2 stages during the quarantine in terms of cooking. First came the I want to become a gourmet chef stage. Then came the I can't be bothered to make or eat anything more complicated than toast stage. Did you feel that way too? Now I am back to cooking regular, everyday meals. Who does the cooking in your family? Is it you? Your parents? Your siblings? Your husband or wife? I think it is great when people take turns cooking, so that it does not feel like a chore. However, I know that sometimes people divide household responsibilities. I don't like the word chores, it just sounds so negative. I mean, it seems fair to divide housework. I do this, and you do that. It does not mean that housework must be divided equally. It depends on how much each person can contribute. Do you generally follow a recipe? I prefer using a recipe and maybe changing it a little to suit my taste. Where do you get your recipes from? Have they been passed down from your parents or grandparents? Do you use cookbooks? Do you get ideas online? Sometimes the result does not look exactly like the picture. Do you prefer making savory or sweet dishes? I don't like to eat sweet things often, so I generally make savory dishes. What is your favorite thing to cook? I would love to get some suggestions and have a go at cooking these. If you enjoyed watching this video and would like to see some more, please make sure to like and subscribe. Have a good day. Bye!